Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can edit code on cPanel, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I'm using the cPanel documentation, the official documentation, because I do not have cPanel myself, so I'll be using this to explain to you guys how you can do it. Now, cPanel does have its own HTML editor, and all you need to do is just access those HTML files through the file manager. So once you log into cPanel, you go to home, then you go to your file section in home, and then you go into the file manager, and then you'll see all of your website files and directories. From there, you can open up any file you wish, and then from there, you can change the code of those files to then make changes to your website. And as you can see, you have a lot of functionalities on your toolbar that will make your job much easier, pretty much just like a development kit or development environment for HTML. You have pretty much everything you need to format all of your text. You also have form elements which you can insert, such as checkboxes, radio buttons, text fields, etc., as well as inserting images, which is also possible. However, you can also use the file browser, and you can upload any files you might have on your computer. I do recommend, if you use GitHub, you can use that as well. However, I do recommend you download the files onto your device, then edit them however you would like, test them out, and then upload the finished and working versions onto your website through the cPanel file manager. And once you're done with that, then that should be pretty much it. That's pretty much how you edit your files and edit your code. You might be even able to insert any CSS files as well. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.